Hello, once again, my beautiful people. I am going to make some cheap meal. It's more like a snack, something that, you want to eat something quick and cheap. Think something that you could have in your kitchen cabinet. So I'm making some chicken pasta salad. But in a can. Yes, in a can. It's drained. While in the process, I am cooking the rigatoni pasta and I'm using my gloves to shred the chicken breast. I have chopped finely green Italian peppers, red bell pepper, and red onions, very finely chopped, as you can see. And we're gonna put mayonnaise. This is no measurements. This is, based on how you like it. And this is me. This is how I like it. I like it a little bit, on the creamy side. I like to add mustard. You don't have to add mustard if you don't like mustard. This is how we like it. I forgot to show the garlic powder. This is also optional. You don't have to do it that way. We do a quick stir, make sure we married all the ingredients within the pasta and the chicken breast all shredded up and mix well. It's just something very quick, when you're in a rush, like a little rush little meal. I add a little bit of sugar. This is optional. You don't have to add sugar. We like it a little teeny bit sweet side. It's like about a tablespoon of sugar. And we're just gonna stir it all up, mix it all well. Mix, mix, mix. It's practically done, guys. This is very quick. It takes a matter of 10 to 15 minutes. Um, I'm going to the pasta is already cooked. I did it like about 8, 10 minutes. I run cold water on it just to hurry the process, but you don't have to do it that way. You could just let it chill. Now the pasta is all cleaned and drained, and now I put all the mixture up of the chicken mixed. It has like a ranchy flavor, but then when you mix all of it, I'm gonna put something additional. You don't have to do it, but it gives that boost of a ranchy. If you like that ranch flavor, you're gonna enjoy that. So mix it all well, and that's practically done. But if you want to go extra, I got some bacon bits. If you want to go old, like original, you get your bacon slice and you cut it and first you deep fry it and you cut it and make it into bits. But like I said, this is a quick serve meal, something that you want to be quick. You're in a rush and you don't want to deal with big meals and take your time on it. Well, this is one way to do it of many ways. So yes, that is going to give that ranchy flavor, the bacon bits. And if you like that, you're going to enjoy this. You have to give this a try. Yes, this is practically done, guys. Practically done. 15 minutes the most, 15, 20 minutes the most. And you're practically done. Now, I'm going to serve because I'm a little hungry. So I'm going to serve myself and then I'll serve everybody else. I put it in a little bowl right there. Well, another scoop. Yeah, why not? Oh my God, that looks amazing. You have to give this a try. It's very simple, quick, fixed meal. Now, I'm going to sit on my table and just give an extra look right there. Now, time to dig in for the ultimate taste test. Let's go. Mm. Absolutely divine, divine. All the flavors in there included. The bacon made a great difference, guys. You need to try this. Hope you enjoy. Bye.